Welcome back viewers. In today's video, we are going to install the Ubuntu Kylin 22.04.2 LTS Pro desktop. So let us start. We will create a virtual machine and then do the installation. So there is a issue with the memory usage. So we'll have to improve the memory. This will be sufficient. Create more memory for the virtual machine. So these are the options. Try Ubuntu without installing, that is in the same graphics mode. Try Ubuntu without installing in the default graphics mode. Directly install Ubuntu Kylin, install Ubuntu Kylin in the safe graphics, and the OEM install for manufacturers. Boot from the next volume and the UEFI firmware settings. So we will go with the first option. Let us boot into the live desktop of Ubuntu Kylin Pro. Basically, what we will going to do is we will going to check out the difference between the Ubuntu Kylin Basic and the Ubuntu Kylin Pro desktop. So what is the difference that we are going to check out? So both will have the UKUI desktop version 3, but there will be some differences between the Basic and Pro. There will be more added features in the Pro desktop, so that we are going to check out. So here also I think the graphics issue is there. So we'll have to, okay, so it has properly scaled automatically. We did not do anything. Now, what we will do is let us start the installation. This is the installer. So here we will change the language to English. So this is a quite different installer than the typical Ubuntu installer. Here the installer is full screen installer. So there is no window here, and the looks of the installer is quite different. So you will know more as we go ahead. So we will start. Now you have to select the local. So there are two methods: custom install and full install. Full install will be automatic. Custom install will be as per the choices we have set. So let us go with the custom install. So now first we'll have to create a partition table. Okay. Now we'll have to first create a EFI boot partition. And this warning is in Chinese. We don't know what exactly it is. But what we do is we will go by what are the good settings for the EFI boot partition generally. Okay. Now we will go with the Linux swap. Size will be around 2 GB. And finally, this will be the boot partition. We will go with the extended 4. So that's it. The partitioning is complete. Now we have to click on the next button, and the device for the bootloader path will be Dev SDA MSFT virtual disk. So this is good. There are any other option? No, only this is the default option. Now we will click next. Let us have some backup partition. Now let us create freshly. Now I think we will be okay. So it will be again 20 GB. I think now we are good to go. So it is showing us the summary of what actions will be done by the system to create the partitions as chosen by us. You have to confirm the operations or the choices that you have done, and you have to now start the installation. So we wait for the installation to complete, then I will stop the video here. In the next video, we will check out the Ubuntu Kylin Pro desktop. If we want to see the logs, you have to click here. So okay, so the installation is complete. I will stop the video here. See you in the next video where we will do the review of the Ubuntu Kylin Pro desktop. Bye bye.